Thanks to my Patreon for the support. Check out my Patreon page for exclusive benefits. Link is provided in the description of this video. This 1602 LCD display is quite inexpensive and easy to use, and we will be using it with our one of the favorite development board, which is this Arduino Uno. But for that you will need some complementary components as well, which is a breadboard. Not only this, we will need a 10K potentiometer as well to control the LCD brightness. And to connect all these components with each other, we will need some male-to-male jumper wires. So now let's start connecting. First of all, pick up your breadboard. Then grab your LCD display and place it anywhere on your breadboard. Now after placing this LCD, take the potentiometer and snap it near the LCD. After this, grab your Arduino board and follow the steps. This will go to VCC. This will go to ground. This will go to ground. This will go to VCC. This will go to the middle pin of potentiometer. This will go to pin number 12. This will go to ground. This will go to pin number 11. This will go to ground. This will go to VCC. This will go to pin number 2. This will go to pin number 3. This will go to pin number 4. This will go to pin number 5. After connecting all the wires, connect your board with your PC and let's move to our screen for some coding. Now go to Tools and select Examples, then go to Liquid Crystal and open Hello World example. So this is the circuit diagram according to which I have connected all the components. Go to Tools, select the correct board and select the correct port. Then hit this upload button. So after uploading is done, Hello World should appear on the display. Here I am adjusting the brightness of LCD using the potentiometer. But we are still not getting any text on the display. So I tried it once again and reset the board. But still we are not getting any text. So I tried reconnecting a few wires because sometimes it is the issue of the jumper wire. But still we are not getting any text. So that's a great opportunity for us to resolve this error. But the question is how we will resolve it. So after spending few minutes off the camera, I found a mistake, which is by mistake I have connected the VCC wire to 3.3 volt instead of 5 volt, due to which LCD is unable to get the required voltage. After connecting the wire to 5 volt, our LCD works like a charm and we are getting hello world text and a timer. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned something new. If yes, then don't forget to like and comment your valuable suggestion or any problem. I will see you in my next one.